I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action Thrive Automator. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the Thrive Automator dashboard. Create the first automation. Choose a trigger incoming webhooks. Copy the webhook URL and click on the listen to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose request payload application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Thrive Automator site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Done. Click on the plus icon and add an action. Email. Add user in autoresponder. You can select the action you desire. I choose MailerLite. Choose a list. Done. Save and finish it. Set the status as active. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.